Well, we didn't blow it up yet, so.
Yeah, this is fuel line right here. Well, if you do whatever. I mean, if you get paid for something,
you get decent at it.
yeah, and you do it all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a fire extinguisher here just in case.
Oh, I got one in my truck. Once we put that hoist on that engine, I guarantee we can pick this whole car up.
Yeah, I ain't gonna try it though.
That'd be cool as hell to put damn a hard bar in there. Like there'd be no, I don't know any way that you could
Make smooth acceleration.
make it look up. Because I had a,